Thutha wa gukinyirwo ni ndeto cia mwaki gututhuka cukuru-ini uyu, amwe ya aciari matinaria maregu guku magiteng'era cukuru-ini kurora ciana ciao. Nyumba-ini ino ya toro ni kuo mwaki uyu gututhukite, no kwa munyaka wahota kuhoria utanatamba ona gutuika kuria indo imwe iheire.
Mattresses were burned. It must have been an arson because there must be somebody who must have burned those mattresses. We thank God that the fire did not spread. Therefore, it did not burn the beds and the dormitory.
Ni undu ucungiriirie amwe ya arutwo na muruti umwe wa wira gutwarwo thibitari-ini nene ya Kenyatta thutha wa kuhuhia ndogo mari mihango-ini ya guteithiriria kuhoria mwaki uyu.
31 students were rushed to Kenyatta National Hospital. 26 of them have been discharged and 5 have been admitted.
Giko giki gigicungiriria cukuru uyu kuhingwo kwa ihinda ritoekaine.
We decided to close the school indefinitely. We shall be able to communicate when the students will be reporting back. The reason for closing is that there was a lot of anxiety, from everybody, and trying to contain students when there is a lot of anxiety is not good. So basically that's why we have closed.
Uthuthuria ni wambikitwo kuhitana na aria magikorwo nio matabanirie giko giki.
Investigations are going on. At the moment we just have suspects, a few of them, which we are still gathering. So we don't have nobody has been arrested so far, but we have suspects that we are investigating. And I want to assure you that a lot of investigations will go on. Anybody who will be found to be culpable to have committed this crime will be dealt with as per the law.
Kurumirira kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia arutwo gucina macukuru, thirikari ni irutite mukana wa kung'ethanira na arutwo aria othe makunyitikana na mahitia ma gucina na guthukangia cukuru ta ekinaĩ. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.